Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on setting up local deployment environment. In this tutorial, we will be covering the basics of setting up local deployment environment, including installing software like Git, Node.js, and Python, and also configuring text editors like Visual Studio Code. First, let's talk about Git. Git is a version control system that is widely used for managing and collaborating on code. Version control systems allow you to track changes to your code over time and make it easy to collaborate with other developers. To install Git, you can visit the Git website git-scm.com and follow the instructions to download and install the latest version of Git for your operating system. Next, let's talk about Node.js. Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime environment for building server-side applications. Node.js is built on top of Google's V8 JavaScript engine and allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side of your application. To install Node.js, you can visit the Node.js website node.js.org and follow the instructions to download and install the latest version of Node.js for your operating system. Then let's talk about Python. Python is a popular programming language that is widely used for a variety of purposes, including web development, machine learning, and data analysis. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, and it is a good language to learn for beginners. To install Python, you can visit the Python website python.org and follow the instructions to download and install the latest version of Python for your operating system. Finally, let's talk about text editors. Text editor is a piece of software that you can use to write and edit code. There are many different text editors available, but some popular options include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. Text editors typically have features like syntax highlighting, code formatting, and code completion to make it easier to write and debug code. To install a text editor, you can visit the website of the text editor of your choice and follow the instructions to download and install it. Once you have installed these tools, you should have everything you need to start building application locally. To get started, you can create a new project folder, initialize a new Git repository, and start writing code using your chosen text editor. You can use Git to track changes to your code and use Node.js and Python to build server-side applications and run scripts. I hope this tutorial has helped you set up local deployment environment. If you have any questions or want to learn more, be sure to leave a comment or check out some other tutorials. Thanks for watching.